Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing the Yeecore H22 dashcam. It has a 4K front and a 1080p rear camera. According to the specifications on Amazon, the front camera has a Sony Starvis image sensor. Yeecore claims that the H22 dashcam provides sharp, clear and actual 4K video. I have tried 4K cameras in the past, but I wasn't satisfied with their performance. I decided to try the H22 camera as well, which was available for a reasonable price on Amazon. In this video, we will go through its specifications, build quality, installation, the camera app, and test its performance on the road. And I will leave it up to you to decide whether it's suitable for you or not. So let's start this video with the unboxing. The camera is lightweight. I was expecting it to be heavy. It has a 157-degree field of view with a 3.3-inch LCD screen. It has parking mode, loop recording, a G sensor, GPS, night vision, HDR, and it sports memory cards up to 512 GB. On this dashcam, you can see the GPS coordinates, the speed of your vehicle, and things like that. In addition to this camera is mounted onto the mount and it gets the power from the mount, so you don't have to connect the power cable directly into the camera. The rear camera has a resolution of 1080p and it has a 140-degree field of view. It has nothing special going on. There is no polarized lens. I wish they have given any polarized lens with these cameras because the glare on the screen really impacts the view of the camera. So I wish they had something like that to make the video clear and without any glare. You can conveniently mount the camera and unmount the camera from this mount. It is powered through this mount, so you don't have to remove the power cable, as I already told you. The camera has some grills for letting out that extra heat that is produced while recording 4K resolution videos. It has a SD card slot, a power button, a Type-C port for the rear camera, and that's about it, and some buttons at the front for navigating the menu. You have to buy the SD card separately. For this video, I am powering up this camera directly from a battery bank for the purpose of showing you guys. The menu was easy, just choose the language, set the time, but I will not be setting the time right now. I will set it in the app and I will show you how I did it. It's automatically done. And you have to format the SD card if you are using the SD card for the first time in this camera. It was pretty easy and it was formatted within seconds. The screen size is quite big and it is enough for viewing the front and rear cameras both, and it is good. The quality is okay for the price point. I will mostly be using this camera with the app. The app can be downloaded from the Play Store. For using this camera with the app, turn on the Wi-Fi in the camera, go to the app and add the camera, then select camera from the Wi-Fi options on your phone and enter the password mentioned on the camera. Within few seconds, this camera will be connected with your phone. For installation of this dashcam, I chose a place behind the rear view mirror so it doesn't obstruct my view. Spray some isopropanol on the screen and wipe it dry. Make sure the screen is dry and clean. Then stick the electrostatic sticker carefully. Make sure there are no bubbles. If there are any, remove them. Remove the protective covering from the M sticker and place the mount onto the electrostatic sticker already placed on the screen. Repeat the same process for the rear camera as well. You just have to connect the power cable to the mount and the rear camera's cable to the front dash cam and connect the USB cable to a 12-volt power outlet using the charger provided. For the time being, I did not remove any trim panels for installing the dash cam, so the wires are exposed. After connecting the dash cam, you can use the app to watch saved videos, the live view, and configure the settings of the camera conveniently. Now I will show you some recorded videos. I was really surprised by the sharpness and colors of this dash cam. The bitrate of the 4K video is around 2800 kbps. The video size of a 3-minute clip is around 600 MB. The camera will also show you the speed, the GPS coordinates, the time, and the date. This dashcam has impressed me a lot. The text and numbers on road signs and billboards are easy to read. Car registration plates are also legible and very clear. Here you can see the dashcam can easily capture the whole view of the intersection. The 157-degree lens is really impressive. It's wide, but it doesn't lose sharpness or disorientate the image. The 1080p rear dashcam seems good, but due to the glare, it is impossible to see the video clearly. So you will have to get a polarized filter or some polarized paper and place it in front of the rear dashcam. So my conclusion about the H22 dashcam is that it's really a great 4K dashcam, which records sharp and clear video. And it came with high quality components such as the mount and the cables. And the thing I didn't like about this camera is the video quality of the rear camera. Because of the intense glare, they should have added some polarized filter or some coating on the lens. And this was all about today's video. I tried my best to keep things simple and brief. And if this video was helpful for you, a like will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So till next time, have a good one.